Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. Today we're gonna do an ultimate speed test between the Oneplus 5T and the brand new shiny Samsung Galaxy S9, which is more powerful on paper, of course, and newer. So we're gonna test the fingerprint readers, we're gonna check the face unlock, we're gonna run some benchmarks, open up a couple of social applications, open up a bunch of games, and at the end we're gonna see which phone is actually hotter to the touch, how is the throttling, how is the RAM management, and of course we're gonna see which phone drained less battery during all these heavy tasks. So let's get started. So let's get the specifications out of the way first, guys. On the right hand side I've got the OnePlus 5T, which rocks the Snapdragon 835 processor. It has 8 custom Cryo 280 cores, 4 of them are powerful cores clocked at 2.45 GHz, and it has 4 more low power cores at 1.9 GHz. The GPU inside is the Adreno 540, which is clocked at 710 MHz, and I've got the 128 gig version with whooping 8 gigs of RAM. On the left hand side I've got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Duos. It has the Exynos 9 chipset, which is the 9810. It has 4 Mongoose 3 custom cores clocked at 2.7 GHz. Can you see how powerful that is? And it has 4 more A55 low power cores clocked at 1.95 GHz. The GPU inside is the Mali G72, which is an 18 core GPU, guys, clocked at 572 MHz. I've got the 64 gig version with just 4 gigs of RAM. And the thing is that no matter which version you get of the S9, you always have 4 gigs of RAM, which we'll see if it's gonna translate to worse RAM management. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first of all let's test the fingerprint readers. Let me just point out that the fingerprint reader of the OnePlus 5T is on the right position. Check this out. It unlocks 100% of the time and it's very quick, guys. Check this out. Amazing. Now, on the Samsung Galaxy S9, on the other hand, they couldn't really nail it this time as well. When you press on the camera once again. At least they move it below the camera, but check this out. You can see for yourself, there's quite a bit of delay. It's very accurate, let me point this out, but it's quite on the slow side, to be honest with you. And now let's quickly test the face unlock. Now, I've activated both face unlock and the facial iris recognition on the S9, so let's see which one is going to unlock faster. Check this out, guys. On the OnePlus 5T, kaboom, instantaneous. On the S9 we've got a little bit of a delay, but to be fair with you, let me just go into the settings quickly, and I'm gonna go to security, and now intelligent scan. I'm going to switch off the intelligent scan actually. Now let's see, unlock phone using combined face and iris. No, we are going to use only facial recognition, guys, this time. Okay, face unlock. There we go, and faster recognition as well. And now let's check this one out. Oh man, you can see that the iris sensor is not switching on this time, but you can see how much quicker the OnePlus 5T is. I mean, that's unbelievable. Samsung need at least 2 more iterations to reach on the OnePlus 5T level, unfortunately. Okay, so now how I'm going to conduct this test, guys. My test conditions would be, check this out. I'm gonna go to settings over here. I'm gonna go to developer options, and I'm going to show you, first of all, that we're gonna have the animations to 0.5 over here, 0.5 over here. The brightness is more or less equalized to my eyes. I don't know how does it look on the camera, but the sliders are on a different percentage, but that doesn't really matter, guys, because that doesn't translate to actual percentage. To me, to my eyes, they're more or less equal. And one more condition. When we go to display settings on the Samsung, I'm gonna leave it on the highest resolution available, which is 1440p. Why? Because it rocks the newer chipset. It has one of the best, actually the best AMOLED screen on the market, so it should be optimized for this screen and the resolution, simply because I've just paid £739 for that phone. So if it doesn't run properly, well, this is not my fault, guys. So the applications that we're going to open up are the following: YouTube, Play Store, Chrome, Instagram, Twitter. After that, we're going to do a speed test, CashJar benchmark, basemark, Antutu. I'm going to show you one good VPN, by the way. And we're going to open up a few games, Tekken, Mortal Kombat, Asphalt, and Killshot Virus. But before that, let's do a quick boot test, guys, to see which phone is going to boot up faster. Okay, guys, so let's see which one is going to boot up faster. 1, 2, 3. I'm holding both buttons over here. OnePlus 5T vibrated first. I'm gonna leave them aside like that. By the way, I'm filming in 60 FPS at the moment, so you should get, you know, the best experience and see in real time whether there's some sort of a lag or anything like that. I guess that's gonna be helpful, guys. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is first at the moment, followed by the OnePlus 5T. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes I might say Samsung Galaxy S8 is still the S9, don't worry about that, but it's so similar to the S8 that, well, I'm gonna talk about that in another video. Now, the OnePlus 5T is in, well, the Samsung Galaxy S9 is still hesitating, and now I'm gonna leave it just a few seconds to let you know something. You might have not noticed, but my battery percentages are a little bit different at the moment. I had a little bit of Wi-Fi issues with my router. It's sorted now, and that's why we can start afresh. Afresh? Is there such a word? Fresh? Afresh? Anew? Anew? Okay, anew. I know that word. Anyway, now we've got 53%, 52. Okay, 52% over here. And we've got 77%, guys. Now, that's a 25% difference. Let's see at the end of the video whether we're gonna get a 25% difference. By the way, check this one out. The Bixby lock. Check this out. Oh my god. Oh man, you're not supposed to see that. Anyway, now, let's kick off with the application straight away, guys. I'm not gonna waste any more time. As you can see, it's nothing running at the background now. The brightness level is not equal, but anyway. Now, YouTube, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. First, on the OnePlus 5T. Now, what else? Play Store, Instant. Okay, again quicker on the OnePlus 5T. Chrome, 1, 2, 3, 4. Way quicker on the OnePlus 5T, guys. Now, there's the time to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so it's gonna help the channel quite a lot and boost my motivation. Of course, Instagram. Let's see what we're gonna get. Again, OnePlus 5T was quicker, guys. Twitter. Let's see. Again, OnePlus 5T quicker. I don't know what's happening, to be honest with you, but yeah, by the way, if you haven't noticed, Red School, check this guy out. It's absolutely amazing. Excellent reviews. Now, I'm gonna come back over here and let's start with some gaming, shall we? Tekken, 1, 2, 3. Let's see. The OnePlus 5T is quicker again, guys, in Tekken. Let's see what we're gonna get. Initializing, 25% on both devices, 50%. Downloading, 78%. And yes, we're almost in, I guess. Almost in. Yes, we're in the Samsung Galaxy S9. For some reason, I had that before. I'm having some issues with the Tekken on the OnePlus 5T, guys. I have no idea what's going on. All applications are updated to the latest versions, but we're gonna have to wait for it because I'm gonna need it to run in the background so we can test the RAM a little bit later on. But let's see. It takes considerably, you know, longer time. I'm gonna blame it on the optimization of the game. It's not very optimized. Maybe Mortal Kombat. Let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, I hit the camera. Anyway, let's see what Mortal Kombat is going to give us, guys. Mortal Kombat is quite a heavy game. I can't believe it's like 3 years old, maybe, and still some phones are struggling to play Mortal Kombat smoothly. I don't know what's going on. Now, let's see which device. My bets are on the OnePlus. Oh man, let's see. That's good. Well done, Samsung. The S9 is first. Oh man, that's impressive. I didn't expect that, to be honest with you. The OnePlus 5T is still hesitating, loading, whatever he is doing. Excellent results. Now, Asphalt. Let's see Asphalt, what we're gonna get. Oh, I didn't press the button. Maybe. Okay. Anyway, let's do it again. Asphalt. Okay, the OnePlus 5T, did you see that it starts first? Okay, seen first. The S9 was straight away after that. Now, Killshot Virus. Let's see. Another heavy game, very heavy game. Let's see which one is gonna be quicker, guys. I think the OnePlus 5T is a little bit ahead, but you never know until the end. Pretty much equal. I'm gonna say that they were equal, guys. And now, let's do something else. Let's do a speed test. And let's see what kind of internet connection are we going to get. Everything is still running in the background, guys. There's no point opening up more games because did you ever... I think I should adjust the brightness of the OnePlus 5T a little bit like that because they feel equal now. Let's see. Which servers are they going to find? I want the same server so I can see the download speeds so you can laugh at my internet speeds a little bit. Okay, burst fire net. What the hell is that? Okay, the same. I'm gonna do the OnePlus 5T first because I don't want to mess up the bandwidth, and after that we're gonna do the S9, guys, to see whether the modems and everything like that is quicker or what's going. Man, my internet is absolutely ridiculous. 0.4. Okay, that's why I was having issues with the internet, guys. Usually that's not my download speed. That's not my upload speed. I mean, usually I'm having a reasonable internet, but at the moment, right. That's funny. That's funny, yeah. Right, that definitely doesn't seem right. Usually I'm getting about 18, something like that, but really have no idea what's going on here. Let's test the S9 and see what we're gonna get, guys. Well, yeah. That was fun. That was fun. Let's see what the S8 thinks. Oh man, that is. Oh man. That is ridiculous. I mean, take that as a pinch of salt, guys. This test it's absolutely irrelevant with my internet connection. Usually, I'm getting about 18 megabits per second. And about 8 to 10 uploads, something like that. But at the moment, I've got no idea what is going on, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that, guys, but that's absolutely irrelevant in this case. But anyway, let's move to the next test. PureVPN. By the way, if you're after a VPN, that's the way to go, guys. PureVPN. Check this one out. How many? By the way, OnePlus 5T was quick, and now the display seems a little bit brighter. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Just keep in mind the OnePlus 5T is a little bit brighter, guys. But anyway, check this one out. How many countries have you got? And series. Check this out, guys. Now, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below for this VPN. If you use code VOLOKIN10, which I'm gonna leave again in the description down below, that's gonna give you 10% off any packages, guys, of this VPN. Anyway, moving to the Kazja benchmark. Now, that's a very good benchmark because it's based on the Unity engine, guys. Quite a lot of the new games are based on Unity, and what can I say? Quite a lot, yes, quite a quite a lot of new games are based on Unity, guys. More and more games, actually. So that's gonna give you a very good real time reading of what the device is actually capable. Check this one out. That's very interesting. The water is very blue over here on the S9, and it's not that blue actually. It's kind of dark blue on the OnePlus 5T. I don't know why, but I don't particularly care, to be honest with you, as long as I get some good results out of it. So let's see what do we have, guys. Let's see what do we have. Keep in mind that the S9 is running in full resolution. If I tweak the resolution a little bit and if you put it to 1080p, probably I'm gonna get better results, but I'm gonna leave that for my full review of the Galaxy S9, which is coming next week, guys. So stay tuned for that. Let's just wait to the end of the application and see which one is gonna be better. And oh my god, these advertisements. Now, as you can see, the OnePlus 5T is the winner here, guys. Average 82 FPS, which is crazy, and average 71 FPS. So if I again equalize the resolutions, maybe they're gonna be equal, but that's not the point because you've paid a bag of money. You want, the whole beauty of the screen. So yeah, that's about it, guys. And now we're gonna proceed to the basemark application and let's see what does the basemark say. Okay, guys, so let's proceed to basemark. Let's see what we're gonna get. Run benchmark. There we go. I'm gonna just skip it and I'll see you in a sec. Okay guys, so the OnePlus 5T was just a little bit quicker, but let's see what the overall result is going to be. 3,500 and just 3,100 on the S9, S8, S9, S9. Yes, so overall the OnePlus 5T is the winner. Now system a little bit more optimized, I guess, although the OnePlus 5T feels definitely quicker. Memory definitely way better, guys. I guess it's because the 8 gigs of RAM. And graphics, now that's the raw performance. I guess if I turn down the resolution it's gonna be better, but it is what it is in full resolution, and web a little bit more optimized on the OnePlus 5T. And now let's proceed to Antutu and let's see what we're gonna get, guys. Now, at the moment, we've got 35.5 degrees on the OnePlus 5T and 39.5 degrees on the Samsung Galaxy S9. That's a good 4 degrees difference, guys. Let me see. This one is just a little bit warm at the back. And this one is... yeah, it's warm. Yeah. Now, pretty much the same. Not the big difference, but let's see after Antutu. So 1, 2, 3. And let's see. Oh, man. Not again. No. I had this problem before, guys. That's one of the reasons I stopped the test. Let me see what is going on, and I really want to fix that because that is ridiculous, guys. Now, Antutu should be good to go. Yes. Allow. Yes. Okay. Whatever. Anyway. Test. Yes. Finally. Verifying resources. After it verifies all the resources, then I'm going to put it on... yes. Okay, now we can do it. Yes, I've pressed the button a little bit later on the Galaxy S9. Keep that in mind. What can I do? A minor technical difficulty, and yeah, I'm just gonna skip the video now, guys. I'm gonna speed it up, actually. Sorry about it, and I'm gonna see you in a few seconds. Okay, guys, and for whatever reason, the Samsung Galaxy S9 finished first, just a little bit ahead of the OnePlus 5T, which is impressive because I've pressed this button later than this one. But anyway, let's see what we have. CPU, a lot more powerful, as you can see over here, guys. The overall score is more powerful. The GPU is more powerful as well. UX, whatever it is, yeah, more powerful as well, and memory more powerful on the OnePlus 5T because of the 8 gig of RAM, guys. And now it's very interesting to see how are we doing with the temperatures. 37.9. Let me see. A little bit hot in this area, not too much. And the Galaxy S, oh man, it's burning here and over here as well, basically over here and over here. That's not very good, guys. But anyway, quite a lot of stress tested today. So let's see how the RAM is. YouTube reloads on both phones, unfortunately. Play Store, well, reloads on both phones. Chrome, okay, this one was kept in the RAM, this one was reloading. Now let's proceed. Instagram, reloading on both occasions. Twitter, this one was in, this one is reloading, guys. Now let's get back to the games. That's the most important part, guys. The games. Let's see. This one is in, this one has to reload all over again, guys. Now you can see the difference in between 8 gigs and 4 gigs of RAM. Let's see Mortal Kombat here. Mortal Kombat is in and Mortal Kombat has to reload over here, guys. That's not very nice to see. Asphalt. Let's see Asphalt. Asphalt is still in the RAM, still running in the background, and Asphalt had to reload. Well, rather quickly, but still it had to reload. And now Killshot Virus. Let's check this one out. It's in of the OnePlus 5T, and it has to press fucking 5 times on the S9, S8, S9, whatever, you know what I'm talking about, the S9. Yes, it has to reload, guys. Now it's pointless to continue with the rest of the applications, the benchmarks, because they're not particularly running in the background anyway. So there you have it, guys. let's sum this one up. In terms of uploading times, the OnePlus 5T was faster every single time. In terms of opening up games, the S9 was quicker in most occasions, but just a little bit. In terms of RAM management, I can't really, judge, because 8 gigs here, 4 gigs here, that was expected. The OnePlus 5T definitely kicks the S9's ass over here. And overall, in terms of benchmarks, of course, the new chipset shows a better results, but overall, day-to-day basis, let me tell you that the overall better and quicker phone is the OnePlus 5T. Guys, it doesn't run hot at all. I've never really seen it over 40 degrees, and you can see that we managed to push the S9 to 44 degrees, guys. And the battery drain temperatures, check this out, 69%, we've got 39% over here. We've got 30% difference where I believe we had 25%. By the way, in the Antutu, I have decreased the brightness of the OnePlus 5T just a little bit because it was not fair. But anyway, and the other thing, I think the reason for my bad internet connection is that it's snowing outside. I thought that the snow is over, but apparently in London it's still snowing, guys. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Check my other speed test. In the next couple of videos, I'm gonna do a couple of cases for the S9, as well as I'm gonna do a speed test between the S9 and the S8, both the Exynos versions, to see which one is quicker and is there any point to upgrade or not. I have a couple of comparisons including both of those phones to see which one is better and if it's worth the money, guys. So stay tuned, subscribe to Vlogging Project, hit the like button, and again, thank you very much for watching, guys. Adios.